Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming access and assets. Open the Figma prototype, check frame names and interaction links so viewers follow flow. Once done, export key screens as high-resolution PNG or a multi-page PDF. Make sure dimensions match your Behance layout. Next, sign into Behance with your Adobe ID and click Create Project. This starts the upload flow. You do this to control image quality and navigation, so the prototype reads like a clear case study rather than scattered images. Now you add content. Drag your exported screens or PDF into the project canvas, then reorder them to mirror the prototype's journey. Once images are placed, choose Embed and paste the Figma prototype share link with the correct permissions. Make sure link sharing is set to anyone with link can view. After embedding, add concise captions explaining interactions and set a strong project cover. This ensures viewers see context and can interact without leaving Behance. You do this to combine static storytelling with live interaction. Finish by previewing the whole project. Click the preview button and test the embedded Figma prototype on desktop and a phone, since behavior can differ. Then fill metadata. Add tags, tools used, a clear project description, and attach source files if you want downloads. Hit publish when satisfied. If the embed fails, check Figma share permissions, regenerate the prototype link, or re-export images at a smaller file size. These fixes resolve most loading and permission errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.